Cynful Cranberry Glazed Chicken. This is what you're going to need, and there is a link to a printable recipe in the description. Start out with some butter in a pan, add the onions, stir those around. We're going to cook them for 2 or 3 minutes. Next, go ahead and add your cranberry sauce. Stir it in, get the butter all mixed in with that. Add your honey and your mustard. Now I stirred this around a little bit. Kind of got it all mixed in. Go ahead and add your seasonings. That's cinnamon, ground cloves, and rosemary. Stir all that in and bring it to a simmer, and then we're going to stick it on a back burner on low, put a cover on it while we do the chicken. Go ahead and salt and pepper your chicken and add that garlic powder. Then we're going to, combine that, get them all coated. Add your 4 tablespoons of butter and your olive oil. And we're going to let that butter melt and let that stuff get hot. Add your chicken to that pan. Now that's on a medium-high heat. We're going to sear that chicken on both sides, and we're going to do it in small batches. Continue to do it till you have all the chicken done. As you're doing it, put it into a bowl just to set aside. Now get out your baking dish and put some of that cranberry mixture that we had in the bottom, just enough to coat it, and then add your chicken. Once you get all that chicken in there, there should be some butter and stuff in the bottom of that bowl. Just pour that stuff in the bowl over the top. And then I ladled it first, put the cranberry sauce over the top, and then just poured the rest of it in. You just want to make sure it's all covered. Cover with aluminum foil, bake in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until 165. This is what it looks like. Really yummy. Y'all please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for the cranberry chicken. Y'all have a blessed day.